Hi, may I know your name, please?
Hi, my name is Rasika Mishra.
Rasika. Hi, Rasika. So, how was your overall experience at LevelUp IAS of the GS Foundation course?
I basically want to start with the fact that this is my second attempt,
Okay.
and I had taken some kind of video lectures from some other institute before, but my clarity and the kind of understanding that I have right now is something on a very different level. The
Okay.
basics and the note making and even the handouts were so good that I have the clarity that I have some kind of confidence that I can clear this exam. So
Great.
it was very great.
And talking about the teachers, like how approachable were they during this preparation of yours?
I think the backbone of this institute are actually the teachers.
Yeah.
I found one of my mentors here, Dimple ma'am. She's our geography teacher, and
Yeah.
she has immense. She has done so much for me, not just for me. I think for everyone in the class, and she is just really everybody, not just Dimple ma'am. I think everybody is so approachable with respect to the answer writing, with respect to the questions and everything. So the teachers were quite approachable and helpful.
And talking about the tests, the weekly test, quarterly and monthly test, how have they helped you and somewhere made your preparation better?
What I found with this level up ka test was that the kind of questions that it came were very analytical. The kind of test that I have given from other places, they were a little factual, a little out of the board, but here the questions were so analytical that they made you question and they made you apply your knowledge a lot.
Right.
So that was really good.
Okay, so what are you gonna miss the most here, like in this GS Foundation course specifically?
I think my friends
Okay.
a lot. I found two of my best friends here,
Lovely,
and
lovely.
which I never expected. So my friends, teachers, and every day coming to classes. So everything I'm gonna miss.
Okay, I wish you good luck for your exam. Thank you so much for
Thank
giving me
you.
the time.